The Sydney Opera House is an iconic landmark located in Australia. Situated in Sydney, this architectural marvel is not only a symbol of the city but also a renowned cultural institution. The drone provides breathtaking footage of the Opera House against the backdrop of Sydney Harbour, showing its grandeur and beauty from above. The Sydney Opera House stands out for its unique design and stunning landscape. Designed by Danish architect Jørn Utzon, its distinctive sail-like roof structure has become an internationally recognized symbol of modern architecture. This architectural masterpiece not only serves as a venue for various performing arts events but also offers guided tours for visitors to explore its interiors and learn about its rich history. From opera and ballet performances to theatre shows and concerts, the Sydney Opera House hosts a diverse range of cultural experiences that cater to all tastes. Tourism around the Sydney Opera House is thriving, with visitors from around the globe flocking to witness this iconic structure firsthand. The site offers breathtaking views of the harbour and city skyline, making it a popular destination for photographers and sightseers alike. Whether you are a lover of arts and culture or simply want to explore one of Australia's most famous landmarks, visiting the Sydney Opera House is an unforgettable experience that showcases both architectural brilliance and rich artistic heritage.